we have to find the mode when a simple data is given, raw data. We are normally using the word raw data is given to us. So best part is what? Best part is just to arrange in the ascending order. Okay. Now this is also called by inspection. Now by inspection we are having 10, 10, 10. It is 3 times. Then 11, after 10 we are having 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then 12, 1, 2 and 3. And then 13. Now second important thing is count it, so it should be sure that you have not left any of the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Just check it. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. So now we can write it. 10 is for 3 times, 11 is for 6 times, 12 again for 3 and 13 for 1. So this is the mode class. This is the mode class. So what is the mode? Maximum time is repeated, that is 11. So mode is 11.